Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to enhance the security of iPhone. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to enhance the security of iPhone. Maybe because you think you have to keep your private information or your personal stuff or the data in your mobile phone safe, so you want to make the security better, or it could be any other reason for you to enhance or make better your mobile phone's security. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So to reach out to enhance the security, first we have to go to the browser. You could choose any browser of your choice. Right now in my mobile phone I have Google Chrome, but you can go with any browser of your choice. You just have to simply tap on the icon of the browser and that browser will open. Once you open the browser, you will see its interface. If you have go to any other browser, the interface will be different. So you will see these three options at the bottom right side of the screen. Once you tap on it, you will see different options. So from all these options, what you have to do is that you have to click on settings, which is the first option. It also has a settings icon with it. You just have to simply tap on it and then we will get into the settings of iPhone. Here you will find many different options and every option here is different from each other and performs its own task in the app. So to enhance the security, what you have to do is that you have to select an option, and that option is actually down on the page. So for that you have to scroll down and there you will see this option which says privacy and security. You just have to simply click on it. First you will read its title and then you will see again many options. So from all these options we have to select this option which says safe browsing. Because our security could be related to the browsing, therefore we have to keep this option secure so that our system could get secure. Once you click on it, you will see three options. If you select the first option, this one is the option through which you can keep your mobile phone secure the most. It is the most advanced option. If you select it, it will not allow you to reach to those websites that could harm your security or privacy. And if you select the second option, it is actually the mediocre option through which it will not do very much to secure your system, or it will not like leave your phone to the harm stuff. And if you want to go with the third option, through third option it will keep your mobile phone secure the least. That means if you select the third option, your mobile will might get affected or get harmed by any other stuff. So you can choose any one of these options. The first one is the better one because it has the most working thing. Otherwise you can choose whatever you prefer. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can enhance the security of your iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.